Hollywood star Eddie Murphy is not interested in seeing his 10-year-old daughter Angel, the child he has with America's Got Talent star Mel B. A Los Angeles court was told Wednesday. The Spice Girls' ex-husband Stephen Belafonte, who helped raise Angel during his 10-year marriage to Mel, is trying to persuade a judge to grant him step-parent visitation with the child, whom, he says, has called me dad since she started to talk. Mel, 42, who showed up at LA Superior Court today wearing a green silk shirt, flowered pants, yellow spike heels and a new frizzy hairdo, is vehemently opposing his efforts, refusing to let him see her daughter. But Belafonte's lawyer, Jamra, said that she had been trying to reach Murphy, Angel's biological dad, to discuss Belafonte's step-parent request to no avail. Jamra said she was told by his lawyers that Murphy is simply not interested. Mr. Murphy has had no contact with the child, she told the court. Jamra added that she had tried to serve Murphy with legal papers, but Mr. Murphy is avoiding service as part of their divorce settlement. Mel, real name Melanie Brown, and Belafonte were to split the proceeds of their former marital home in LA, worth an estimated $6 to $7 million. Belafonte, who also showed up Wednesday wearing a duck suit, has complained to the court that his ex-wife has been dragging her feet in paying her share of the $20,000 needed to repair the home and get it in shape to sell. Judge Mark Jars ordered Mel to pay $10,000 to match the $10,000 Belafonte has already shelled out toward the house repairs. Belafonte and Mel divorced last December after a bitter 7-month battle in which lurid tales of kinky drug and alcohol abuse and allegations of domestic violence made headlines. He was given joint custody of his daughter with Mel, 6-year-old Madison, and he went back to court to try to win step-parent rights to visit Angel. But Mel has consistently blocked his efforts to spend time with Angel, calling him in court papers a bad man, accusing him of being violent and abusive during their 10-year marriage. Last week she even charged in a new court filing that he had made Mel's daughters, including his 6-year-old Madison, watch videos of ISIS beheadings. Belafonte, 42, filed his own court response with a strong denial, calling Mel's accusation outlandish and alarming and adding, "I have never and would never show ISIS videos to our children." Belafonte, who claims that Mel has been violating his joint custody of Madison, he gets her on Wednesday nights and alternate weekends, says Brown refuses to let him see Angel. "I strongly believe that Brown's abrupt decision to cut off all ties between Angel and I has been emotionally traumatizing and detrimental to Angel's mental health and well-being," he added in legal papers. Belafonte says that he gave his daughter Madison a teddy bear and other toys to give to Angel. But Madison later informed me that Brown threw out the toys before they could even get to Angel. The couple's marriage fell apart in March last year when Brown filed for divorce, citing irreconcilable differences, and she took out a domestic violence restraining order against Belafonte, accusing him of years of abuse against her, embezzling $10 million of her money and keeping her drugged during much of their marriage. She also took out a civil harassment restraining order against the couple's beautiful blonde nanny Lorraine Gillis, whom she branded a home wrecker and prostitute she claimed had an affair with Belafonte and conspired with him against her by threatening to release embarrassing videos of Mel. Over the following 7 months, intimate details were revealed about the couple's life during their marriage, including 3 ways with German-born Gillis, who claimed to have had a 7-year wild relationship with the British singer. Belafonte, who accused his estranged wife of being addicted to cocaine and alcohol during their marriage, and Gillis, 26, repeatedly denied Mel's charges against them and fought the restraining orders through 20-plus court hearings till, at last, the case was set to go to trial in November 2017. It was halted at the last minute after the former couple came to a private settlement. The divorce became final last December 15 with Mel agreeing to pay Belafonte $15,000 a month in spousal support until December 2020, when Judge Jars set May 29 as the date of a settlement conference where the former couple can try to reach an agreement. Mel showed the frostiness she still has toward Belafonte by asking the judge, "Do I have to be in the same room as him?" Like a small room. When the judge told her that the settlement conference would be in a large courtroom, she looked relieved and said, "That's okay." Judge Jars also ordered Mel to give a 3-hour deposition to Belafonte's lawyers on April 23.
Tell me where the freak's at.